Today in Chartbusters we are taking a look at Hindustan Lever. Now one may be wondering, why are we looking at Hindustan Lever at a valuation which is so expensive? But then the fact of the matter is that the stock is actually breaking out into all-time new highs. Now all-time new highs happen when the stock is being chased by new buyers despite knowing that the stock is at such high levels. Now the second thing is, breakout is also being accompanied by fresh new momentum. Now everybody knows that momentum precedes price, and if momentum is picking up, then the price can continue further. Third signal that we are receiving is that there is a pattern called the ascending triangle pattern, which in technical terms actually presages an upside breakout and indicates that bullish trends will see. Now why is all this happening? It's mainly because here you can see the ascending triangle pattern. You can see the new momentum on the panel on the downside, and that there is a breakout to new highs. Why is all this happening right now? That's because the market's new theme, or the current theme which it is looking at after Friday's bombastic announcement, is stocks which are high taxpayers and where there will be a huge saving on the bottom line because of the new taxes which are announced. Hindustan Lever and most of the consumption names fall within that bracket, and Lever being one of the top names within that. Clearly, people are, now that the risk on is, sentiment is back, I think people are more than willing to take a look at stocks like Lever and other stocks from consumption, Asian Paints, Havells, Pidilite, you name it. All these are high price stocks, high valuation stock. They're all breaking out to the top side, and many of them to all-time new highs. Now clearly, people are unbothered or unfazed by the fact that the valuation is higher. Right now everybody seems to be concentrating on momentum, and the momentum signals are clearly indicating there should be further moves here. I would believe that Lever can reach at least about 2250, 2300 in this particular move. That's still, for a large cap stock, that's about maybe 10%, 15% away. Seems pretty good for a buy even at these levels, and particularly during pullbacks.